a blue-footed beauty. Males show off their feet to attract a mate. They search for seafood during the day. Boobies can dive from 20 meters high. They cover their young with their webbed feet. A typical brood has 1 to 3 chicks, living off Central and South America's western coast. About half of all pairs are in the Galapagos. Parents take turns incubating